Welcome back to my channel Make, Build and Grow. My name is Mahi. Father's Day is just around the corner. Have you got any big plans for your dad? Well, I am going to teach you how to make a fun shirt and tie card. You're going to need a few simple things. A blank card, an envelope, a designed paper for the tie, colored markers, scissors, and glue. Don't have a colorful card like this at your house? You can easily use white paper to make it and design your tie with colored markers. And if you want, you can also write this at the top. For the collar, I've drawn some dotted lines for where you should cut. You want to leave a little space in the middle. Now it's time to cut our collar. As you see, I have left a little space in the middle when I cut. Now we need to fold our collar in so it will look more like a collar. Now I like the contrast, so I'm going to keep it white. But if you want it blue, you can color it. It's going to look like this when you're finished. Now see this back strip? We are going to cut that off. My mom drew this tie for me and I'm going to cut it out and glue it here. This is our final card and this is how it looks like. Doesn't it look amazing? You can write any nice message to your dad, just like I did. I want to show you one more thing that me and my mom made for my dad. All about my dad booklet. Now let me read it to you. All about my dad. My dad's name is Kunal. My dad's favorite food is pizza. My dad cooks the best tomato soup. My dad and I like to read books together. I love my dad because he loves me a lot. If I could give my dad anything for Father's Day, I would give him a big hug. You can also make this booklet and card and design them your own way. I want to tell you a fun joke today. Why did the boy bring a ladder to school? Because he wanted to go to high school. I hope you liked today's craft. And please subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon. Bye!